Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add a story to your Snapchat's public profile, so let's jump right into it. First go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. From there tap on your public profile and then tap on new story right here, this button. It will take you to your archive. After tapping continue, you can tap on memories or camera roll to pick the picture that you want to add as a story. Now from here I'm going to tap the picture that I want and tap on next in the top right corner. You can tap here to add another one. Once you're done, tap on next in the bottom right here. From here just give it a name and then tap on finish. Wait for a second and it will be added to your account just like that. You can tap on it and tap on this symbol right here and it will be added, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.